Hey everyone, welcome back to Cordova's Kitchen. Today we are just going to make something really simple. We are going to make Rice Krispie treats. Everybody loves them. They are so simple to make, so I will meet you at the stove. Okay, we are going to get our stove going here, and I have a buttered 9x13 baking dish. We want 40 large marshmallows. And yes, I did count them out. So we are going to, well, I guess we can just, let me give a quick stir. Coat the bottom. Hopefully it won't be too noisy. I have my microphone on. Get out of there, straggler. Okay, and these, we are going to melt them. You know what? I'm going to switch to a plastic spoon, or that noise will probably kill your ears. And we don't want that. So we're going to melt these. And as you see, it doesn't take long. We're going to have this. So 40 marshmallows, large marshmallows. And I'll show you what kind I have when we get back to the counter. And then we have 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine, whichever you prefer. And then we're going to have 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. I love Rice Krispies. Rice Krispie treats, I should say. Now, you see how fast that's starting to go now? So you want to keep stirring. You don't want to stop because it can burn very easily. And starting to get a little warm there. People make them all different ways, but this is the way I do it. It's just nice and simple, especially if you want to make something in a pinch. Then this is your go-to thing. If you have butter, Rice Krispie cereal, and marshmallows, then you are set. Okay, see how fast that went? And then we're going to have to be in a hurry when we get to the back to the countertop as well. Ah, almost lost the grip on my spoon. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and call this good, and we are going to go back to the counter. So I'll meet you there. Okay, I have you tilted this way so you can see a little bit better. And here I have my 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats, or Rice Krispies cereal. And you want to just dump it all in there. Keep stirring until you coat everything really good. So might take you a little muscle power here. Keep stir. And over here I do have a 9x13 baking dish, and I do have it buttered. The butter will make it where it will not stick. Okay, now here is a thing that I do to make it so much easier. Okay, get a little organized here. We want to work kind of quickly. Okay, we're going to dump all this out into our 9x13 pan. Scrape it all out. Okay. And let me get a different spoon here. I like to coat the back of my spoon. Sorry you can't see me. I like to coat the back of my spoon, and then you're able to push everything down in there really easy because it won't stick to your spoon. And if it starts sticking, then just butter it again. Just push it all down. And it's going to take just a few minutes to set up. And I'm going to, you guys know my trick here for my butter, to stick it baggy on your hand, or, well, on your hand. That way you don't get your hands all messed up and you don't have to stop and start and wash your hands. Okay, that's how simple. Just push it down. And that's how simple that is. And we will come back in just a couple minutes after they cool for a minute, and we will cut them. Be back. Okay, everyone, here they are. Super yummy. They make a whole big old pan, so you will have plenty for the family. Our grandkids always like a snack before bed with a glass of milk. And here is what I used. The jet puffed marshmallows, and then your Rice Krispie cereal. So that's all there is to it. Give them a try. Let me know how they turn out. Have a good day. See you in the next one.